Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, it is important to know that I'm here to help you prepare for your IELTS speaking exam with tips, strategies, and sample answers. In today's video, we're going to dive into an important cue card topic that many of you might get in the exam. I'll be sharing a well-structured response that you can use as a guide to prepare your own answer. So, if you're aiming to score high in the speaking section, make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to take notes. Please subscribe our channel for latest cue cards.
Describe an achievement/success you are proud of. What you did. When did you do it? How did you feel about it? Why did that achievement make you proud? I am really proud of my accomplishment of finishing my first full marathon. The path started months earlier when I made the decision to push myself both mentally and physically, and this success occurred approximately a year ago. Although I had always respected marathon runners for their mental tenacity and endurance, I found the thought of running such a long distance to be daunting. But I wanted to test my limitations and see what I could do. I therefore made the commitment to follow a strict training regimen that included early morning runs, dietary changes, and ongoing self-control. It wasn't an easy training period. There were plenty of days when I wanted to give up, particularly when the weather was bad or I was too tired to keep going. But every little accomplishment, like covering a few more kilometers or increasing my pace, inspired me to keep going. I was encouraged by my family and friends, some of whom even accompanied me on practice runs. My anxieties increased along with my excitement as the race day approached. Even though I knew I had worked hard, I wasn't sure how I would manage the full 42 kilometers on the day of the event. I was a little nervous and excited at the same time when the marathon day finally came. I was struck by how far I had come and how much work I had put in to reach this position as I stood at the starting line with hundreds of other runners. The first few kilometers went really smoothly, and I relished the enthusiasm of the supporters. But as the race went on, weariness started to set in, particularly at the halfway point. I continued to push myself, paying attention to my breathing and the cadence of my steps while reminding myself of all the effort I had put into getting ready for today. When I finally reached the last stretch, I could see the finish line in the distance, and a surge of energy and emotion took over me. One of the most rewarding experiences of my life was crossing the finish line. Knowing that I had accomplished something I had previously believed was beyond my capabilities filled me with a profound sense of pride and success. The self-belief, the discipline, and the training hours had paid off. I was immensely proud of this accomplishment since it demonstrated my tenacity and mental fortitude and went beyond simply finishing the marathon. This experience demonstrated to me that I could overcome my self-doubts and accomplish even the most difficult goals if I had dedication and perseverance. My confidence has increased and I've learned important lessons about resilience from finishing the marathon, which continue to motivate me in other facets of my life. This accomplishment remains a reminder of my strength and serves as a motivation to take on new challenges in the future.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and resources on mastering English. Leave a comment below with any questions or topics you'd like me to cover next. Good luck with your IELTS preparation, and see you in the next video.